Let's explore how you can easily unlock the potential of your videos and make your content stand out with the incredible 4K resolution that CAPCUT offers. This feature is available on both iPhone and Android devices. The first step is to make sure you have updated CAPCUT to the latest version. Once the app is updated, open it. You can either create a new project and edit it as usual or, like I'm doing here, open an existing project. I'll be using my edited YouTube video for this tutorial. To access the 4K quality, which offers 4 times the resolution of Full HD, 1080p, select the resolution option next to the export button. This will open the export menu. Drag the slider to the 2K/4K option, and then you can choose your desired frame rate and bit rate. The final step is to tap on the export button or the small arrow and wait for CAPCUT to save the video to your photo gallery. Keep in mind that 4K resolution delivers a much higher quality image compared to 1080p or Full HD, but it also results in a significantly larger file size. Make sure you have enough storage space for your 4K exports from CAPCUT. If you don't see the 4K option even after updating the app, it might mean that the feature isn't yet available in your region. CAPCUT rolls out new features gradually across different regions, so if it's not there, just keep updating the app regularly and check back in a few weeks. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more CAPCUT and similar tutorials in the future. See you soon!